Hello publishers. In this video, I'll show you how to set up and receive payments from Hilltop Ads, step by step. With options like PayPal, USDT, and wire transfer, you can get paid from anywhere. Hilltop Ads is a top ad network trusted by publishers worldwide. Whether you have a website, blog, or traffic campaigns, it provides smart tools to boost earnings with reliable payout options like PayPal, wire transfer, or crypto. To set up your payment method, begin by logging into your Hilltop Ads dashboard. Once you've successfully logged into your Hilltop Ads dashboard, head over to the My Account section. From there, you'll find the Payment Information tab. Here, you can manage and update your payment settings, add new payout methods, and view your preferences. Hilltop Ads offers several payment options like PayPal, Payoneer, crypto, and wire transfer. Choose the method that best suits your country and needs for secure and efficient payments. For me, I prefer receiving my payments through PayPal because it's fast, secure, and incredibly convenient. To set up PayPal as your payment method with Hilltop Ads, simply enter the email address associated with your PayPal account in the Payment Details section. Make sure the email you provide matches the one you used to create your PayPal account to avoid any payment issues. Once your PayPal is linked, you'll be able to withdraw your earnings. Just remember that the minimum payout threshold is $50. Also, keep in mind that Hilltop Ads charges a 2% fee on your payout amount, so plan accordingly when you're setting your withdrawal goals. One of the top ways to boost your earnings with Hilltop Ads is by taking advantage of their referral program. By referring new publishers and users to Hilltop Ads, you can earn a 5% commission on their earnings. The process is simple. Just copy your unique referral link and share it through various platforms, like your blog, the description of your YouTube videos, or across your social media accounts. Encourage others to sign up using your link, and you'll start earning commissions from their activity. If you run a blog or website, you can add Hilltop Ads banner ads by choosing a size that fits your layout and pasting the provided code. This helps attract new users and generate passive income from your visitors. You can easily track the number of people who've signed up through your referral link, along with detailed statistics on your referrals activity and performance. Hilltop Ads offers 6 high-converting ad formats: pop under, in-page, video vast, video slider, banners, and multi-tag. These ad formats let you optimize your strategy and boost revenue across desktop, tablet, and mobile, reaching a wider audience with high-performing, device-friendly ads. Hilltop Ads helps publishers boost income with flexible tools like referral programs, direct links, and multiple ad formats, perfect for website owners and content creators. This platform also provides a comprehensive range of options for advertisers, offering highly flexible and targeted ad solutions. Hilltop Ads offers 4 ad formats for publishers: pop under, in-page, banner, and video. Whether you have a tech blog, lifestyle site, or any niche, these formats are designed to fit your content and boost your earnings. Hilltop Ads offers a step-by-step guide to help you get started and boost your earnings. Whether you're new or experienced, their tips and best practices can help you maximize revenue from your traffic sources. Hilltop Ads supports a wide range of offer types, giving publishers the flexibility to monetize their traffic in various ways. Whether you're promoting dating offers, mobile apps and utilities, games, or even iGaming, Hilltop Ads has you covered. To effectively boost your revenue with Hilltop Ads, start by identifying your website's niche and selecting the most suitable ad formats. Hilltop Ads offers a variety of high-converting options, including pop under, in-page, video vast, and multi-tag ads. Once you've chosen the right ad types, integrate them seamlessly into your platform. This strategic setup ensures optimal user experience while maximizing your earnings potential. Monetizing your traffic with Hilltop Ads is straightforward. You start by signing up for a free account, then submit your website or traffic source for approval. After verifying ownership, you can quickly create and add ad zones to your site using formats like banners, pop-unders, or native ads. To get started with Hilltop Ads and begin monetizing your traffic today, just click the link in the video description or check out the pinned comment below. It's quick and easy to sign up, and you'll be on your way to earning with one of the top ad networks in the industry. If you're new to Hilltop Ads or need help getting started, be sure to check out the full tutorial playlist link below. Whether you're using WordPress, Blogger, or any other platform, this step-by-step series will guide you through the entire setup process, from creating your account to placing ad codes and optimizing your earnings. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials.